Gel şey yakalayalım da. Yeah, we have some stuff also.
What have you got?
No? Some drink maybe?
Drink?
Water?
Oh, no.
Cola? Nothing?
If that's beer,
Yeah, beer maybe.
I'm good. Like,
We have some wine and beer, but we need to find other friends.
oh, that's super healthy. I'm okay. Thank you.
Hey! Oh, where did you find it?
Our society now.
Finally! Videomuza çıkıyoruz. Kemal'e kadar burada.
Değil mi ben?
Yok, tamam yani.
Did you say you guys are not from London?
Sorry?
Are you from London?
No, I'm from Brussels, Belgium.
Oh!
Yes, I came here to see my friends here. They are working here. So I will go back tomorrow afternoon.
Wow.
You
I'm London.
are from London.
Did you come this weekend for this?
Yes?
Wow.
Yeah.
Like you came from Belgium.
Yes, yes,
For
yes, yes,
just for
yes,
this?
yes, yes,
Just
yes,
for this?
yes, yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, actually, this thing is pretty cool actually.
Yeah.
It's interesting to see. And your names?
Pooja?
Pooja.
Pooja. Yours?
Millie.
Mary.
Millie.
Mary. Dennis. Nice to meet you. My name is
Dennis.
yeah, Dennis. Yeah. But you said you are from London.
Yeah.
Originally, you are coming from London or what?
Oh, I came from India 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Before that,
India.
India. Okay.
Here you go. You want another one?
Yeah, thank you. Sorry.
Oh my god. I missed it. Look at those masks.
Yeah,
Wow.
I had a nice video by the way here already.
We're alike on you, Dennis.